In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix PS5 Safe Mode not showing. Intro. First, begin by completely turning off your PS5 instead of just putting it into rest mode. But once the power indicator is fully off, press and hold the power button on the PS5 itself and keep holding it after the first beep, then release the button when you hear the second beep about 7 seconds later. Then connect your DualSense controller to the PS5 using a USB cable and then press the PlayStation button on it. If safe mode still does not appear, disconnect the PS5 power cable for about 20 minutes, reconnect it, and try the same process again. Also make sure your TV is on the correct HDMI input and try a different HDMI cable or HDMI port if the screen stays blank. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.